Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rameshri MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kumta. We'll discuss BCom 5th semester's Accounting Theory, Unit 5 Accounting Standards, Part 1 Meaning, Need and Objectives of Accounting Standards. This part includes historical development of accounting standards, meaning of accounting standards, definitions of accounting standards, need for accounting standards, and objectives of accounting standards. Before understanding accounting standards, we'll go through the concept of accounting. Accounting is called the language of business. It is one of the means of communications information about a business. Accounting environment in every country keeps on changing with the changes in economic, political, social and legal environment prevalent in the country. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing and presenting the financial aspects of business dealings and interpreting the result thereof. Now we'll understand the concept of standard and accounting standards. The term standard in accounting is a recent origin and development. This is enumerated as standard today to be commonly known as principles. The United Kingdom introduced the concept of standards in the place of principles when it sets up its Accounting Standards Steering Committee at the end of 1969. Americans adopted the similar term standard in 1973 when the Accounting Principles Board was wound up to create and form the Accounting Standards Board. In India also, the term has literally become popular since the formulation of Accounting Standards Board in April 1977 by the Institute of Chartered Accounting of India. Standards are set in the form of general principles and left to the professional judgment for application. Now, meaning of accounting standards. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧಕ ಮಾನದಂಡಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Accounting standard is stated to be the form of accounting policies and practices by way of codes or guidelines to direct as to how the items that go to make up the financial statement should be dealt with in accounts and disclosed in the annual reports of performance. Accounting standards are the policy documents issued by the recognized expert accounting relation to the various aspects of measurement, treatment, and disclosure of accounting transactions. These guidelines or standards are prepared in such a way that financial results of different enterprises can be compared or analyzed on a common platform. Now we will understand definitions of accounting standards. According to Coiler Dictionary, accounting standards is a mode of conduct imposed on accountants by customs, law, or professional body and accounting principle. According to Anthony, standards are referred to as those accounting policies that are designed to govern the nature and content of financial statements. So, from the above definitions, it is clear that an accounting standard is a selected set of accounting policies or broad guidelines regarding the principles and methods to be chosen out of several alternatives. Standards conform to applicable laws, customs, usage, and business environment. Next part, need for accounting standards. The following are the needs of accounting standards. The need for accounting standards stems from the limitations of financial accounting. The need for the imposition of standard on accounting practice has been arisen because of the lack of uniformity existing as regards the manner in which periodic income could be measured and financial position of the enterprise could be presented. Next, accountant must explain what they are doing by disclosing the methods and assumptions. It means accountant must explain that which accounting policies they have adopted. The aims at achieving some uniformity of presentation of accounting statements. Finally, calls for the disclosure to be made about approval, asset valuation, and income determination. Next discussion is on objectives of accounting standards. To harmonize the diverse accounting policies and practices present use. It means that accounting should be very rigid. The harmonization of accounting standards do permit flexibility to make the necessary adjustments to suit their purpose. Next, to provide informations to the basis on which accounts have been prepared, the data about the financial position. It may be in the form of balance sheet, performance trading, manufacturing and profit and loss account and conduct of an entity. This information and data are assured to be clear, consistent, reliable and comparable. To provide the public accounts, the chartered accountants in practice with guidelines and rules at action to enable to exercise due diligence, care, and independent in rendering audit assignment by auditing the financial statements and reports concerned and attest the validity of these reports. Now we are at the end of this part discussion. Accounting standards specify how transactions and other events are to be recognized, measured, and presented and disclosed in financial statements. This session summarizes with the historical development of accounting standards, meaning, definitions, need, and objectives of accounting standards to be followed in the company's financial reports. These are the references. Thank you for your patience listening.